Hey there, welcome back to the Alibaba.com Buyer Guide. I'm Carlos Alvarez, and today we're diving into the latest upgrade of Accio, your automated sourcing agent. Are you an aspiring small business owner wanting to open a brick and mortar but don't know where to start? Are you an e-commerce seller and want to level up your business and capitalize on some hot trends in a specific consumer market? Then this is for you. Listen up. If you're new to Accio, I recommend checking out our starter video. You'll find the link in the bio. It walks through all of the basics. But if you already know Accio, then let's level up. This new upgrade is one of Accio's biggest yet. Previously, Accio could already help you search for products, check supplier profiles, and even source with images, but now it goes much further. Accio has evolved from a single function tool into a full sourcing agent, capable of automating multi-step workflows like product development, multi-category sourcing, and supplier engagement. In short, Accio can now take you from searching to scaling with one simple catchphrase: all sourcing tasks in one ask. It's perfect for buyers with complex needs who either don't know where to start or simply want to save time and get results through clear conversational input. With Accio, you've essentially got a sourcing team that works instantly, on demand, around the clock, freeing up your time and delivering results directly to you. If you've sourced before, you know how time-consuming it can be comparing suppliers, verifying certifications, chasing quotes. It adds up. Accio takes care of all that in the background, helping you save hours, reduce human error, and stay focused on what only you can do: growing your business, building customer relationships, and making strategic decisions. Let's look at some real-world ways businesses are using Accio. Beyond quick product or supplier lookups, Accio excels at multi-round tasks like sourcing across different categories, redesigning top-selling items, or full product development from scratch. To activate the multi-step functions, you need to click the button at the bottom left corner of the search box. Say you're an aspiring small business owner and want to open a brick and mortar nail salon. Now, this is daunting. You'll need to source hundreds of items, which can feel and is overwhelming. But let's give it a shot. Go to Accio.com, then simply type in your query. I want to open a nail salon. Please list the supplies I need to purchase to support 1 month of operation. Please also help me find suitable suppliers and send out the inquiries. With this one request, Accio can identify essential equipment: chairs, tables, lamps, sterilizers, can list nail care tools and implements, provide consumables like polishes, gels, lotions, treatments. It can calculate PPE and sanitation needs, can even suggest quantities based on salon size and expected monthly clients. I mean, Accio is thinking of things you, me, anyone would have never thought about. Small things that slip through the cracks. It's all here in a clear and concise list. Now take a look here. Accio finds verified suppliers across each category and generates customized inquiry messages tailored to their product offerings. You can edit the drafts, or you could just send them instantly, then sit back and wait for the quotes to roll in. If you've sourced manually before, like I did back in the day, you know how time-consuming it is vetting suppliers, writing emails, following up. Accio does all that in one go, and coming soon, it will even collect and summarize quotes for easy comparison, helping you make better decisions faster. Just sit back, relax, sip your coffee, and let the agent go to work. Here's another great use case. Let's say you've got a product idea based on market trends. You want to capitalize on a hot selling trend. Maybe let's say you noticed the long-standing popularity of Stanley Cups, but the market's now saturated and you can't get brand authorization. You ask Accio to identify adjacent opportunities, suggest modification ideas, and evaluate the market data. When it receives the request, Accio responds with a full workflow plan, then delivers the results in minutes. Let's give it a try. I'm a small business who missed the Stanley Cup trend. Can you suggest related product opportunities or modification ideas to align with this trend? Now, Accio's done its analysis. We can go even deeper here by researching the current trends on Amazon of stainless steel water bottles. The data shows the average monthly sales of this category are still pretty strong until now. It also shows me the consumer reviews. Typically, without an agent like Accio, we would figure out how to optimize our new product based on negative reviews. But Accio simplifies this work for us by something called Trending Search Report. According to this report, Accio tells me the top issues are leaking, insulation, and some design parts are faulty. We can also see the current best-selling products and their monthly sales. What's really cool here is that Accio not only suggests modification strategies for my new water bottle product, but also suggests enhanced design and straw innovations based on all these analyses. Take a look here. I can even see concept sketches and recommended manufacturers. Pro tip, you can even upload an image with your request. Accio's image plus text search helps you explore product variation based on visual cues. These are just a few examples. Whether you're sourcing, Brainstorming or refining products, Accio handles it all. The strategy, execution, supplier follow-ups. In all my years of being a sourcing expert, I have not seen it outlined like this so quickly and clearly. You might be wondering, how reliable is Accio's task execution? Rooted in over 2 decades of sourcing experience, Accio's team has studied countless real-world procurement scenarios and built a system composed of 20-plus functional modules to handle a wide range of tasks. Its automation engine is powered by an intelligent agent system based on task planning and chain-of-thought reasoning, designed specifically to improve task comprehension and execution. For every sourcing request, Accio analyzes your needs, breaks the task into smaller steps, activates the right modules, and delivers actionable outputs like inquiry emails, supplier lists, or even product sketches. And when it can't fully understand your intent from past chats or your current message, it asks smart follow-up questions to gather the missing info, keeping the process smooth and efficient. In short, Accio is a reliable partner with deep sourcing knowledge, smart planning, and real-time analysis capabilities, ready to help you at any moment. If you've ever wished sourcing could be easier, faster, and less stressful, Accio is the tool to try. It's your AI sourcing strategist, supplier outreach assistant, and research analysis all in one. Give it a prompt and let's get to work. Because now, with Accio, you can manage all your sourcing tasks in one ask. If this video helped, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. I'm Carlos Alvarez, and I'll see you in the next Alibaba.com buyer guide. Until then, happy sourcing.